Craft and Meds bus link up in Trinidad.
Yeah, me I give it to them, you know. Yeah, man, a long time me I watch and I see them. I mislead you with them. Yo. Yeah, man, me just can't sit back and I watch the people them I destroy the little ghetto you with them, no. You have to talk about it. See? I say me nah. I say me nah. Certain things me nah do. Me just nah. And certain things me can't do. Me just can't. Because the little juvenile them a watch you. Me just can't.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Jano, more big up all of my brethren them, you know. Me and my brethren was speaking this morning, and him say, countryman, you know, see who you name. It is like certain people want link me on certain things, but I think they might be apprehensive because of the kind of videos that I make. They feel maybe a target might dip on my head. You know what I'm saying? Well, if a target dip on my head, you know, so let it be. I don't care. Yo, good over evil. I feel like I am doing something good. So, me I try to change the world. I might be naive. I try to change Jamaica, Trinidad, wherever, whatever. And that's what I think I am trying to do. So, I am naive, but I am not gonna stop doing what I'm doing. And I am not gonna walk and live in fear. If a pussy step to me, know say everything is a weapon. That's all me I tell you. With that said, Skeng went to beat in Trinidad and perform. As you all see, I am gonna play it again and then I'm gonna comment on it.
Craft and Meds bus link up in Trinidad.
Now, Skeng is a man, you know. Skeng take a whole heap of Molly. When Skeng comes to a show to perform and thing, when Skeng finish performing, you know, I just him box as him, you know. He's a man have to take off him shirt, him pants, him shoes, him socks. I feel like Skeng would have walk home all naked to blow or go home naked. Very energetic, very impressionable young man, and I like what he's doing for dance hall. But, and I'm gonna say it again, but Skeng went to Trinidad and he's repping 7 gang and Ratty Theme gang, and he's saying 7 is a part of Ratty. You have Plumpy Boss, him there with him big face. You know, the back, this, that, Ray. I guess he was doing the videotaping. I think that is a wrong move. I know Skeng is doing things for hype. We know Prezzi, one of the richest gangster in Trinidad. We know Prezzi and reach far. You understand? And we know Prezzi is very mixed up in enough thing. We don't have to talk how much murder Prezzi have done. Cause me know Prezzi. Now I think it is just a really crazy career move for Skeng. Went to Trinidad and repping the 7 gang. And then it seems like him and Kman Sixx, which is another baboon to blow out. Kman Sixx say Skeng head is like a sponge, his brain is like a sponge, soak up here fuckery. But Kman Sixx is the same thing. So the two Maga man them, I guess they are beefing, and I guess from long time Kman Sixx, you know, make a shot off Skeng, but I am not even gonna talk about their fucking dispute. What I'm speaking about, how can Skeng manager and the people them representing Skeng let him go to Trinidad and rep the 7 gang? It just doesn't make sense. Maybe I am dumb or naive. Maybe that's a good thing in the music business now, or maybe that is a good thing with his management. Them see that that's not a problem and it will push his career forward. I don't know. But Skeng, all I'm warning you, and I'm telling you this, and I want you to listen to me. Many Jamaicans have gotten whacked out in Trinidad. There is a saying in Trinidad. It's, them call it stink and dirty. Stink and dirty. So you need to be careful. I know you're young and you're a superstar, my youth, and you're doing your thing. But when it comes to Trinidad and the gang culture with the music, it's different than Jamaica, and I know you have known that you've been to Trinidad many times. You see what I'm saying? And you might think, well, I live in Jamaica and I travel the world and I won't be in Trinidad. This is just a hype. But maybe one time you might go back to Trinidad and you have a lone wolf from another fraction, whether 6, 10, 20, whatever. Because Trinidad, the music scene and the Trinidad scene has created martyrs. They're martyrs, and when a man dead, 10 more man rise up, cause them look up to the man who get killed. And that's how Trinidad is rocking. As for Prezzi, I spoke to him in a video recently, and I said, Prezzi, I don't know how long you think you're gonna be the biggest gangster in Trinidad, and don't get touched either when to go to prison or somebody take your life. So you have to put things in perspective and check into that, Prezzi. Maybe this concert you throw is to kind of move away from certain things, but then you have Skeng come in and he's representing 7, beefing with 6, on have a murderous war, how much artists, how much young youth get killed, and then Skeng come in and jump on that. I mean, that just seems like total chaos. In Trinidad, we have a saying where we say, Bacchanal. You understand? You notice I say we say, because I consider myself a Trinidadian, and I consider myself a Vincentian, you understand, and a St. Lucian, but really and truly, Trinidad is very close to my heart. And I'm just being honest, Trinidad is close to my heart. The Trinibad scene is close to my heart. And, you know, I love Trinidad. I just want to make you know that even though I might lick out, but I just call a spade a spade. You understand? So I love Trinidad. Once again, before I go, come here, wrap this up. Skeng, stop do them kind of thing there. Like the man them say, this me I say, but yo, watch your sponge brain, my youth. You soak up too much BS. You understand? And just watch what you're doing when it comes to the gang shit and the music shit in Trinidad. That's all I have to say. It's not good. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. But before I go, I was speaking to my big music producer friend from out of Florida. He know who me I talk, and him guide me in the music thing and educate me. And we were just speaking about certain musicians, certain artists. Once them reach to a certain level, then you see what they do. And an artist might think, say, yo, somebody now afraid for shoot you up on stage, or somebody afraid for do certain things to you. And my big time friend make that be clear. You see what I'm saying? That stuff like this will happen. Just like me, Countryman, I'm quite sure there's enough people don't like me. And if someone get a chance to friend me and take my life, I'm quite sure I make a move on me. I'm quite sure they would do it. So that's the thing. When you was an entertainer and you get caught up in a certain things, it can be very deadly. I'm out, yo. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Mutabaruka, I am not finished with you. Shotty Mark, Junglis, Makie, the white police boy from Jamaica. And me have a special video coming up, you know, with twins and twins. When I see which twins have twins me attack, I'm out.